No tax on tips. It's been headlines for a while now. If you're a restaurant owner, you might be wondering, so now Trump's One Big Beautiful Bill Act is in effect. What happens to my FICA tip credit? If you're a tipped employee, you might be wondering, how does this change my paycheck? Hi, I'm Matt on EA with Ahn Company. Today, we're diving into a big tax update for businesses with tipped employees. I'm going to explore the FICA tip credit and how does this new no tax on tips provision will affect both employers and employees with the Trump's new One Big Beautiful Bill Act, or OBBB Act, signed into law in July 2025. Let's dive in. The FICA tip credit lets businesses with tipped employees claim tax credit for employers' portion of Social Security and Medicare taxes on reported tip income. Then what's new? Under OBBB Act, this credit now applies not only to restaurants and bars, but also to beauty and personal care businesses like salons, barbershops, and spas. Here's how it works. As an employer, you pay 7.65% in payroll taxes, which is Social Security and Medicare taxes on all wages and tips. With the FICA tip credit, you can claim a dollar for dollar credit for the FICA taxes you pay on reported tips above minimum wage threshold. That reduces your tax bill. No tax on tips provision is a benefit for tipped employees. Please note, this does not reduce FICA payroll taxes. Tips are still subject to Social Security and Medicare taxes, but it does allow employees to deduct up to $25,000 in their tip income from their federal income taxes for 2025 to 2028. This deduction applies to jobs that customarily receive tips, and it phases out for individuals earning over 150K and married filing jointly earning over 300K. All right, here's the key employer takeaway. You can still claim the FICA tip credit with OBBB Act, now broader than before. Employees may have more take-home pay through the new tip deduction, potentially keeping more income in their pocket. Accurate documentation is the key for claiming this important tax credit. I'm an EA specialized in small business taxes, working with creative, hardworking entrepreneurs just like you every day. You want to know how much you can claim for FICA tip credit this year? Schedule your free tax discovery call with me today. We'll make sure you save more with confidence. The links in the description below. To recap, number one, under Trump's One Big Beautiful Bill Act, the FICA tip credit stays in place but now covers more than restaurants and bars. It extends to salons, spas, and other personal care businesses. Employers in these industries can offset payroll taxes on tips reported above minimum wage. Number two, for employees, the new no tax on tips rule allows qualifying tipped employees to deduct up to $25,000 in tips from federal income taxes from 2025 through 2028. Keep in mind, Social Security and Medicare taxes still apply to those tips. Okay, that was all I have for today's topic. If you have any questions around your taxes, feel free to reach out. I have my contact info in the description below. If you find this video interesting, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.